What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a video on replacing the pannier bag in the back there. I noticed that it rubs up against the wheels if I have a lot of stuff in there. Plus I want something that looks cleaner. So you can see it kind of rubs up here if you got a lot of stuff. I noticed it goes here. Maybe I didn't have it installed right, but I loosened it all up already. I'm just going to remove it off the rack here. And I got this Ross wheel bag on Amazon. I think it was like $20 something. So you can see it's a nice looking bag. A few pockets here. You could strap something in here, you know, like a bottle or a jacket or whatever. It's a little compressed from the shipping. I just got it, so I'll flatten it out. So you guys see a nice compartment here. You got a shoulder strap. So you could also take it off the bike and walk with it if you want, you know. If you don't want to have your stuff stolen or whatever. Got a carrying case here, carrying handle here. Got another pocket right there. So let's see how it's going to fit. We may have to do some custom work to it. This kind of looks short. I'm going to go through the inside one. Yeah, I'm going to do the inside. Okay, so I just wanted to show you here how we strapped it. We basically just used this metal piece, not this, but this one, to strap it. And on this side, we did end up using the outer metal, since the strap is a little too short to go over both of them on the outside. Basically, this is how it looks. It's a lot of cleaner look. It's less space, but I think we should be okay. I'll do a follow-up on this, see how it's working out. It's a little still deflated. I'm going to fill it up with stuff. And we'll be back. If you like it, please subscribe to the video. And I'm going to have more content coming up. A lot more accessories that I'm buying for this bike. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.